We are hanging lights today, and we're also dodging raindrops. It's been raining on and off, but fortunately the sun's out right now, so we've got some lights up around the garage doors here at this house. Let's look over here. We're gonna put them along the driveway. Got them on the roof. We also hung up some wreaths. Now we're wrapping the trees. All right, and this is the final product. So, got lights going on in the driveway, lights up here on the roof. Trees are all lit up. We added garland around the door with some lights. Wreaths are looking good.